Everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to take full page screenshot on iPhone iOS 26. So I'm just already updated my iOS 26 and open any page, like I'm open my Safari browser, showing it to more page. So I'm just take screenshot, press on power button and volume up button at the same time, then take screenshot, then showing it to full page, and just select and just drag to select full page. Okay, and press on right mark, save this photo. Now and check. So look here, and just take full page screenshot. So that's it.